Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can change or adjust the image opacity or transparency on Figma. So let us get started. Head over to Figma and access your project. So let me go with that website design here. And let me just zoom into, let's say, that thumbnail of that page here. So what you want to do, guys, is simply select a given photo or image by left clicking into it. And that is going to open up that panel here on the right hand side with these customization tools. So amongst these, you will see that section here, appearance, and below you will see the opacity. So you may simply click into it and enter your preferred opacity, like 50%. Let me do that really quickly. Press enter, and that is going to apply the transparency. So that's the first option. The second option, and the easier one, guys, would be to simply left click into the left edge of that opacity box here till you see that double-headed arrow. Left click into it and hold your left mouse. And after that, simply move your mouse to the right or to the left to adjust your custom opacity level, just like that. So if I drag the mouse to the left, to the very left, it will go even up to 0 opacity, which will make the image basically invisible or barely visible. Then we've got 10% and so on and so forth. And you see the live preview here to the left. So that's how you adjust the opacity for images and photos on Figma. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.